let's make jerk chicken soup using DivineKuizine's jerk rub. Let's get into this. Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to season this chicken. So I have boneless chicken thighs and chicken breast. So I have a mix of white and dark meat. So we have some complete seasoning. Make sure it's already been cleaned and all, you know, all that stuff that y'all be worried about. So complete seasoning. We have some salt. And this would be good if you could do ahead of time and marinate it. We have onion powder. And let it sit overnight for like 24 hours or at least 8 hours. It would be really, really good. Garlic powder. My favorite seasoned pepper. This is optional. You can do a little bit of cayenne pepper. The jerk rub is already pretty hot, but if you like a little extra heat, you can put a little bit of cayenne pepper. That's optional. Then we have some green seasoning that I made. Some green seasoning. This always makes everything better. And then of course the star of this whole thing is the jerk rub, DivineKuizine's jerk rub. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna probably put about 3 teaspoons in here. And the more teaspoons you get, the hotter it is. So it just depends. Like I put the cayenne pepper, that's optional. And then however many teaspoons you put in, that's the more heat you're gonna get from it. Mix all this together. You know, get it all well in, all over the meat, all the seasonings, spices. I wish you could smell so good. Oh my God. I can't wait to have this soup. So now we're gonna go ahead and pan sear these and get everything ready for the soup. So we're just gonna pan sear the chicken, trying to get it like caramelized a little bit, and then we'll cook it all the way once. Right now we're just trying to get a little bit of color on the chicken. Take the chicken out. It's not all the way done. So we're going to take it out and we're going to put our vegetables and then we'll put our chicken back in here to cook. We're getting ready to put the vegetables in. So this is colored peppers, jalapeno peppers. So you have red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper. So any kind of colored peppers you want to use. And I had a jalapeno pepper in here. And we're going to get some of that good stuff at the bottom. We're going to deglaze. We're going to kind of get some of that good stuff at the bottom. You're going to turn your heat down a little bit. You're going to add your red onions. Have some fresh garlic. Then we're going to add our, this is potatoes, carrots, and butternut squash. Back in with a little more green seasoning to the pot. DivineKuizine's jerk rub. A little bit more of that in there as well. A little bit of complete seasoning. We're gonna kind of re-season what we did with the chicken. Salt. Garlic powder, onion powder, and then we're gonna stir all this around because we want all that jerk sauce and everything, those flavors from the chicken to all get in the pot. So we have some bouillon cubes. I'm gonna put about 3 bouillon cubes in here. If you have chicken stock or chicken broth, you can put that in there as well. Put that in there. And then I'm just going to take some water because we're going to cover this because we want all this to get fork tender, all your vegetables. So you want to cover it. Get all the scrapings, and then we're going to put the top on for this and let this cook down and until it gets fork tender. And we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken back in here. But remember, these are pretty big pieces and it's not all the way done. So it depends on what size your chicken is when you want to put it in, but these are pretty big pieces, so we're gonna put those in there. We're gonna put the top on and we're gonna let all this boil. We have one last thing. We have our aromatics, so we have some green onion, a bay leaf, some thyme, and we got some tomatoes. So it's gonna be good, y'all. So we're gonna let all this cook probably for a good 30 minutes or so. We'll check it and then we'll go from there. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna take the chicken out. The chicken is pretty much ready. It's falling apart. So we get in the chicken. Put our corn in here. And a little bit of coconut milk. Sorry for the noise. We're gonna mix all this together and we're gonna put the top back on it and let it cook down until the corn is ready. And we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna shred our chicken and put our chicken back in here and our soup will be done. I'm gonna put our shredded chicken back in the pot, a little bit in the pot. I've been thinking like weeks on how to make this, and I've never made it before, but I just know it's gonna be fire. I was kind of tasting it because you know you gotta taste your food as you go. And so let me even get a napkin because I might spill something. We jerked up the chicken with the jerk chicken rub. You're gonna have to get this recipe, I'm telling you. And it's good as winter, fallish. We got the butter beans in there. I don't really know how to dance, but that's that good food. I knew it was gonna be bomb. I knew this was gonna be fire. I mean, y'all gonna have to make this recipe. I'm telling you, it is so good. That jerk rub will do it every time. To get this recipe, go to DivineKuizine.com. Love y'all. I'm about to go in for another bite. Love y'all. Chef Shay.